SQL is one of the most critical skills when it comes to data and databases. The programmers are now learning this skill to achieve their programming goals and ensure that they can thrive in the different scenarios. SQL is a programming language that is famously known as query language that is used to interact and build databases. However, why would one need to learn SQL programming? Well, here are the reasons that will make you jump into the SQL right away. Companies are using it. The database is something that every company is using to store, update, edit and delete the data sets that are collected in several ways. For this, the companies require someone proficient in Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, etc. This is to work efficiently with databases and ensure that the company can use data in the right way. In-demand skill. SQL is an in-demand skill that is used in data science and hence the job demanding is also increasing. There has been an increase in SQL upskilling to act and analyze the data that is becoming an essential part of the jobs. Offers transparency and efficiency. SQL is better than Excel as it offers efficiency and transparency to the company, especially when it contains huge datasets. SQL is a written language that is easy to adapt, understand and offers transparency without messing with the data. On top of that, SQL doesn't have any type of hidden cell formulas like VLOOKUP that can be a nightmare. Become a data mining expert. If you want to be a data mining expert, then it is the right path for you to follow. Data is becoming the dominating factor in the present world that is making companies' data mining expert become a prominent job role. One can easily perform CRUD operations on various applications and databases. Client-server access. Data is retrieved from the raw information collected from various sources on the server. SQL is involved in managing and creating servers through humongous amounts of data. So here is the end of this video. If you want to hear from me again, click that subscribe button, and if you got value out of this video, smash that like.